Hi guys, good morning. I thought of sharing with you a new feature that is added to Zoom, which is to install an app and then you can embed the app within your Zoom and make your learning experience or the user experience to be better. Now, you are looking at my screen right now, so I'm going to use my arrow and point it to the button called app. Do you see that? Now, that's the app that we are saying. And if you click this, you will see that at the side, this section will appear and you will be able to choose an app that you use them if you know them, or you can explore whatever apps that you might find it useful for your Zoom meeting. What I have installed is Kahoot. We use Kahoot a lot in our class, and you are also joining the quiz as part of the game. So normally as a student, when you join the game, what you do with the Kahoot is you might be using another phone as a device, right? So now you can do it here in Zoom itself. So I have already installed the Kahoot inside my computer. So you can see after I've installed it, they just asked me to open it. So I'm going to show you. This is the Kahoot. Okay, I'm going to quit this game that I've experimented. Okay, so I just have to join a game and I need to key in my game pin. So I'm trying out an example for you to see. So that's the game pin and I'm supposed to enter my name. Okay, so let's say from the whole screen I'm gonna start the game. I'm now the participant. So in a Kahoot quiz, I'll be looking at the questions that is shared on the screen, and then after that I will have to choose the answer, right? Now normally we will be using a phone and then we'll click the answer from the phone. So this is where your learning experience is going to be enhanced through the embedded Kahoot in your Zoom. So what you're going to do is you can click the answers just right on your Zoom screen, which is what you're seeing right now. So let's say I am okay, sorry, my times is up. Well, that's because I didn't click the answers at the right time. So let's say now when I'm playing a second question, so what happened here is I will need to choose an answer again. You can see that question 3, now they will ask me to type an answer. So I am supposed to type in an answer as part of the quiz. So let's say I can put it here. Now let's say I didn't read the question, so I'm just gonna put, let's say, James, all right, and submit an answer. And of course the answer is incorrect, and you can see that again from the host they will go on with the next quiz. And again I'm asked to type an answer for this quiz. So let's say I'm gonna put here like God. Okay, let's say again I didn't get a good answer. So what happened is now I'm entering into another questions where I have to choose a true or false. So you can see now the answers choice will be true or false. So I just have to go for a color. Now if I think it's true, I'll just click true and my answer is right. So that's how you can put Kahoot into your Zoom. So if you have a Zoom quiz, if you have a Kahoot quiz in your Zoom, this might actually make things so much more easier and simpler. Thank you very much. Bye.